Can you rock?
Rock,
Let's see.
rock.
Rocking.
Are you rocking?
Avila, where's Jinx? She's over there. She's over there. You gonna go get her? Or are you gonna rock?
Ah, the chair.
What are you doing?
Rocking.
You need to sit down, please. Can you sit down, please?
You gonna sit? Gotta sit down.
Please sit down, Avila. Does it kind of hurt your knees? Yeah, let's sit down. There we go.